Hey guys, Tom Cherry Holmes here with the FujiNet project, showing the latest features that have been added into Platform I/O, and one of them is the ability to do a disk rotate or a disk swap. We see right here a particular ice cream sandwich ESP32 prototype, and there are two user buttons on this particular prototype. One of them is the reset button. If we press it, it will automatically reset the FujiNet so that config will load up the next time. And load it up through high speed, we get into config, and we can see that we have two disk slots actually allocated here. The feature that I'm talking about is essentially a disk rotate command. And what will happen if you press the user button, it will take and rotate this slot into this one and this one into that one, and basically just keep circulating them around for as long as you press the particular button. One button press, one rotation. So the rotation essentially happens clockwise. So with that, we'll go ahead, now that we see that the network is actually connected, ready to go. We'll press Option to boot our game, in this case is IE. And then now it's asking us to insert the side B here. And since we have that mounted in slot number 2, we can press the user button here to rotate the disks and put the next one in drive slot 1. And with that, we go ahead, press the button on the joystick. And so there you go. Even for titles that only support one disk drive, they will work just fine with FujiNet. What do you think, guys?